If you want to make sure your Facebook ads are working smarter and tracking every conversion from your WordPress website, even when cookies aren't enough, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to set up the conversion API for your Facebook pixel using WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a more reliable, future-proof way to measure results from your ads, which can seriously help you make better decisions for your business and boost your return on investment. Let's dive straight in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Facebook account and open up the Events Manager. This is Facebook's home base for everything ad tracking. If you haven't visited Events Manager before, don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. The Events Manager is the command center where we set up tracking for activity happening on your site, so making sure you have access to the right accounts here is step one. Next, pop over to your WordPress site in a new tab. We'll need to install a plugin to connect WordPress and Facebook. Head to the left-hand menu in your WordPress dashboard, scroll down and click on Plugins, then select Add New. This is where you can search the WordPress repository for thousands of plugins that add all kinds of features to your site. In the search bar, you'll want to type Meta Pixel for WordPress. This is the official plugin from Meta, so you're getting the tool that's designed to work seamlessly with Facebook systems. Now, once you find the Meta Pixel for WordPress plugin, go ahead and click Install Now. This might take a few moments to download and unpack, especially if your internet is running a little slow, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. When it's finished, make sure you click Activate. This switches the plugin on, preparing it to start connecting your website data with your Facebook account. With the plugin active, you'll see a prompt or a new menu item asking you to connect your Facebook and business account. This is a crucial part, don't skip it. Click through the setup and you'll be asked to log into Facebook if you aren't already, and then pick the right business assets, your ad account, pixel, and business manager. This step is what gives the plugin permission to help your website talk directly to Facebook and report conversions, even if a user's browser blocks third-party cookies. Take your time with the connection steps. You'll usually be guided through a simple wizard. Just check that you're selecting the correct pixel if you have more than one, especially if you run more than one website. When everything's connected, you'll get a confirmation, and here's the neat part. The conversion API gets set up for you automatically. That means from now on, your website can send conversion events directly to Facebook servers. No need for custom coding, no technical headaches, and you end up with more reliable data, which is exactly what you want if you care about getting the most out of your Facebook marketing. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've set up the conversion API for your Facebook pixel on WordPress. You can relax knowing your ad campaigns are backed by data you can trust, and you're keeping up with the latest changes in online marketing. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or get stuck along the way, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I read and respond to as many as I can. And if you want more straightforward guides to boost your website and ads, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.